If I could describe Arch in one word, it would be friendly. I'll never forget my first day. It was very friendly. Everybody was very happy to see me. I've never had a culture in which everybody greeted you so well. You felt like a part of the team on the first day. My name is Jerimia Turner. I'm an Arch IT support technician. Best part of my day is being able to just have an environment in which I can grow. I am working towards certifications right now that is going to further my career here at Arch. You know, I'll have the support that I need, and that's very important. I've been at other places in which you didn't have the support, in which you were told you would receive. But here at Arch, no matter how busy anyone is, they support my growth and my progress. One of the things I really do appreciate about Arch is that my team that I work with, they know more than I do, which means that I can learn from them. I love the people on my team, and I appreciate the environment, and I appreciate the help and support that I receive from them.